took me 6 months to make my first YouTube video. I was scared, I was nervous, but the benefits 10 years later, or I've made over 1,000 new videos, have been outstanding and helped our business grow. We get about 200 new leads every single month from YouTube. Now, what about you? Are you nervous to make videos? Do you know you need to make them, but you just procrastinate and don't take the time? I'm going to break it down and show you exactly in 3 simple steps how you can make your first YouTube video, put it on the website, and get leads to turn into customers. Hey there, my name is Brad Smith, owner of Automation Links. I've been doing marketing for the last 10 years, worked with over 3,000 brands, and today I'm going to share my screen and walk it through so you can learn it and actually go implement it. And by the way, once you make your first video, come back and please comment your brand name down below so I can be your first subscriber. All right, let's not wait any longer. Let's dive in. Okay, so the few things we're going to cover today is how to make it and how long it should be, what the goal is, and then what you should actually say in the video. And this page, I'm going to go ahead and put this down in the first comment below this video, so you can feel free to just copy it and follow these simple steps. Take a look at my YouTube channel right here. This is the welcome video that I put on my YouTube channel, so anyone new to the YouTube channel sees this. And the goal of these videos is to build that relationship so they get to know you, they get to trust you, they can learn more about your brand or your personal brand, and then they feel more comfortable actually getting on a sales call or buying your product. Now, this is really for any type of business that wants to get more sales online. Having a personal brand or even a business brand is so important for really any type of business, whether it's e-commerce or B2B. Now, we also put these videos on our landing page. This is a good way for somebody to learn more about us, see who we are, how we can help, and build that relationship while they're on the site. So you can see on my landing page here, our marketing system, I have my video that automatically pops up here. And then on our about page, if you scroll down, it's an introduction video, and it's only 1 minute and 15 seconds long. Now, the best sales calls when you get on a call, I've been watching all your videos. I feel like I know you. I trust you. I'm ready to work with you. That's what you really want from your videos, is to feel like somebody trusts you and feels like they know you, so it's easier for them to actually work with you when they're ready. Okay, so the first tip is to know the goal of the video. I always say the best relationships are face-to-face. If I can meet you face-to-face, we grab coffee, we meet in my office, we shake hands, that's the best relationship you can build. You know that person's most likely going to become a customer. So that's how you can do it in your video. You want to think about talking to the camera, building that relationship with the person watching. Then you want to introduce yourself. Who are you? Why should they watch? And why should they trust you? Then I always like to say, hey, thank you for visiting our website. Thank you for taking a look at my YouTube channel. You don't have to really teach them anything here. You want to just introduce yourself, thank them, and then explain exactly how you can help in 3 simple steps. That way they know they're in the right place. They're like, all right, this is the person. I trust them. They're thanking me for being on the channel. And now they're explaining how they can help. Okay, this is a good business. This is for me. Or maybe it's not what they were looking for, so they can leave. And then the last step is tell them exactly what to do next. So what we want to do is really create this video to be short and simple. So 30 seconds, 60 seconds, 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes. You want to have simple language. You want to be clear and thoughtful, even add transcriptions if you can. Have one clear message, no long stories, and no commercial style. You're not trying to sell yourself. You're just trying to introduce yourself. So at the beginning of my video, step number 3, I always say my name. Hey, thank you so much for watching this video. I'm Brad Smith. I did it at the beginning of this video. So think about your intro. You can practice it before hitting record on your phone. Thank them for visiting. Thank you so much for checking out our YouTube channel. You're going to learn a lot here. And so you can tell them exactly what they can expect on the website or on your YouTube channel. And you want to be personal. You don't want to be reading a script. You want to just do it. It took me 20 takes to make my first video. Over and over and over, I kept taking new takes, and it just took a while, but it finally clicked. And then an editor can crop it up so it looks natural in between bullet points. After you introduce yourself, thank them for being there. You want to really dial in on those 3 to 6 things. You're the go-to. You're the expert. You're the business that can truly help them. So we help build and set up your CRM. We help connect and integrate all of your social media channels, and we build a website that syncs everything to get you more. That would be my 3 that I would just cover. We help you follow up with all of your leads, and then we help build your ads. So think about what those 3 simple things are that you're known for and you're the expert for, so you can list those. You don't want to list everything. You want to keep it short to the point and be like, yeah, I see that they're an expert at that, so I'll work with them on that. Then the last step, tip number 5, is to tell them what to do. Do you want them to go use a coupon code for your e-commerce product? Do you want them to book a call? Do you want to give them something? So in my videos, I say comment system down below. Somebody from my team will send you a free resource. So if anyone comments system, they're going to get a landing page just like this, like you're going to get, where they can actually go use a resource and it provides value. So if you want them to call you, put your phone number down below. If you want them to click something, if you want them to just schedule, you can say that. But the goal is to tell them exactly what to do. Now, how do you actually record this? I made my first probably 300 videos with just my iPhone. So for your website and for your YouTube channel, just like I show here on my About page and on my YouTube channel, these are horizontals. You always want to turn your phone horizontally, and you want to try to invest and spend a little bit more money on a good mic. So this mic connects to my screen. I film it with my Mac computer, and then it's all connected for good audio. But if you want to start, you can start with the phone. It's good enough as long as you have one of the newest phones. Get a good mic from Amazon, and that's a good place to get started. You want to always look into the camera. That's why I don't recommend teleprompters where you're looking down, you're looking in the wrong place. You want to keep eye contact with the camera to build that relationship. You want to try to use good lighting. I got lighting from Amazon, shipped it in just a day. So now there's good lighting coming in. You want to try to avoid shadows, get too bright or too dark. And that's the goal there. Then you want to focus on your background. I recommend doing some sort of bookshelf in the background. Obviously, I have an office here. And if you haven't seen my other YouTube videos, we have a podcast office. You can even rent out a space. I recommend going to a co-working place and renting out a space for just an hour or two to make your videos. So if you don't have a good background, co-working space is top notch. You can go find a podcast studio, hopefully in your town. But the goal is to really make a nice background, at least for this video. This is your primary video. And you want to keep it right around a minute long. So if we go over to mine, I put it actually on a timestamp here, and it's 1:15. It doesn't seem overwhelming. That doesn't make someone feel like they have to sit all day and watch my video. I should make this a little shorter. Maybe I'll come back and make another one because I know your customers are busy and most likely they're on their phone, they're scrolling, maybe they're on there from social media. So that is a good place for them to say, okay, it's only 50 seconds long. I can watch this. But if it feels longer, people's attention span, they just aren't there. So if you grab this link down in the description below, it has the video script. So you can copy this. Hey there, my name is. Thank you so much for doing this. If you're looking for this, you come to the right place. And we're looking forward to meeting you. I always like to say I'm looking forward to speaking or meeting or working with you. And then feel free to grab my free system down below. So think about how you can actually use this for your business, how you can create this one video, put it on your website so people can get to know you, and put it as the first video people see on your YouTube channel. Now, if you need any help building up your YouTube channel, make sure you check out the playlist that I'm going to be tagging down below so you can keep learning how to build up your YouTube channel and make more videos like this. And if you need my help actually doing and setting it up, I help set up your YouTube channels. You'll be able to check it out right here at the bottom of the system page you're going to be getting for the YouTube checklist. Now, I don't personally help 8 people per month, so I have a few slots left. You can go ahead and grab it here if you're interested. And if this video brought you any value, it'd be great if you subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate that to help me keep growing. And like I mentioned, check out this playlist here so you can learn how to keep growing your YouTube channel. Thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you on the next video. By the way, who are you? What's your business? Leave me a comment down below, your business name, so I can go follow, support, and connect with you back.